Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to fix unsupported browser in Chrome. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're trying to visit a website here and some functionalities or some websites gives you that notification that browser is unsupported, well, there are a few things that you need to do and you need to understand. Now, the thing with certain websites, especially for those high-tech or websites that has a lot of designs into them or animations, sometimes the latest version of the website is required. So, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go make sure that your browser is fully updated. Now, this totally depends on what type of browser that you are currently using, but the steps are pretty much quite similar here. So just as an example, I'm using Google Chrome here. So what you need to do is you want to go access your settings. Now at the top right of the screen, you want to go and click on the three dotted icon here. Now for some browsers, it's going to be a 3-bar icon or a hamburger icon. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, you want to go access the settings option. Let's go and click on settings. Now inside settings, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says about Chrome. Now typically, if you visit the about Chrome section, this will basically automatically check for any updates your browser currently hasn't installed yet. So in this case, as you can see here now, it's updating my browser as of this moment, and you just need to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes here, and once the update is complete, you should see the option here that says restart browser. So in this case, let's just wait for this one. Now the update is complete, so what you need to do is you want to go and click on relaunch. Wait for a while, and your browser should relaunch. Now, relaunching your browser is really important here so that the browser can apply the updates that we actually installed as of this moment. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.